Hey besties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Hello to all my current besties. I hope you're all enjoying your day so far. Mine's going great. Hello if you're new here, welcome new bestie. If you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Click that bell notification, get notified every time I upload a new video just like this one. And yeah, so just really quick before we get started, I just had a couple things to say. Maybe one thing to say. I am making sourdough bread, so I might have to stop to like put it in the oven, then take it out of the oven. Right now I am preheating the oven, so once the timer goes off, you'll probably hear it. I will have to go and put the bread in, and yeah, and then bake it for 45 minutes and then take it out. So yeah, just wanted to give you a heads up, and so that's it. So let's get started, shall we? As you can see, I don't have my black tweezers. I cannot seem to find them. I don't know where they went. So this is what we have. So we have our pen with our single placer, our white tray, our sticky tack, our new sticky tack, and then of course the diamonds themselves in my purple butterfly case here, and they just come in these round little bottles, and I like to use the DMC code numbers because I find it better for me, or I like it better. Yeah, so we'll set those up there, and then we're also gonna zoom in. We're gonna turn on the light. Let me put these up here for a second. Excuse my arm. So we can situate this. Okay. There we go. So I'm just gonna get it into the middle here, and I'm going to situate you guys down. Oh, no, don't be doing that. It wants to start tipping over, and it's never done that in a long time. Or I should say never, it hasn't done that in a long time. Okay, this is our last square, so I'm just going to get it in the middle. Hopefully that's the middle. There's the end. No, I don't know if that's the middle. I think that is the middle. At least I hope it's the middle. Okay. There we go. Okay, sorry, just gonna take a drink. Okay. As always, we're gonna go down the line, and we're gonna do the numbers first and then the letters. So first up is number 1, 159. There we go. Yeah, my hubby made the sourdough last night, and then we had to, oh, I forgot to take the film off, of course. And, I'm just baking it for him today, because he's at work, so he can't do it. If I don't want it to sit in the fridge, too much longer. It's been in there overnight, so definitely needs to be baked. Looks like we might have to get some more sticky stuff because it's not really popping. Okay, let's get some of that. Sorry for the arm. Sorry for the arm in the way. Or in the video. So I'm just gonna clean this old stuff out. Can't use my tweezers because I don't have my tweezers. I don't know where my tweezers went. Oh, I got it all out. Okay, there we go. I used my diamond painting cutter. That's better. Oh, I just saw one right over here. Okay. Okay, there we go. First color down. Okay, next up, number 2. We do have 2s, 318. There we go. Then remember to grab every other color, because that's the numbers. Okay, I think that's, oh, no, never mind. This should be the last one right here. There we go. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Let's make sure. Okay, now there's definitely no more. Okay, next up is number 3. Do have some, 518. Looks like we only have 2 actually. So I probably will have to check, probably will have to pause the video a couple times It'll be a second for you guys, but it'll be a couple minutes for me. Okay. Next up is number 4. Yeah, number 4. Nope. Number 5, yes. 792. There we go. Hey, there we go. Okay, next up is 6. Just making sure, yeah, every other color. 819. There we go. Oh yes, and this is the last square for this row. And the next video we'll be starting a new row. And we only have 2 rows left. Finally, I can start a new painting soon. And did have one more thing actually. I did think about just quitting and not doing this anymore. Don't get me wrong, I love each and every one of you, but I don't know, I'm just thinking about it. I'm not getting a lot of views. I'm not getting a lot of likes. Actually, lately it's been no likes at all. And I know it's me because I'm not very good at making videos or editing them. Always making it's the same design over and over and over. But it's not really, I feel like it's not really working out as I was hoping or planned for it to be, but and I appreciate every single one of you for subscribing, and so just wanted to let you know that it's not on you. Okay, next up is number 7, and that is 827. So yeah, I did think about just quitting YouTube, and there you go. Just enjoy life and diamond paint when I feel like diamond painting. A lot of work goes into YouTube. I was hoping I could make a job out of it, but it doesn't look like it's working out that way. And I know a lot of work goes into making YouTube videos. So yeah, I was just thinking about it. I'm not for sure yet. I'm just not good at this. I don't know how you all do it. I don't know how anybody that I follow does it. It's a lot of work. Timer's probably gonna go off in a minute. There we go. I should probably only hear the timer once because it's got to be in the oven for another 45 minutes once this timer goes off after it's preheated. Okay, next up is number 8. We do have those. 33.54. There we go. I am going to finish this painting with you, besties. But then after, I think I'll either find another one to do, or I might just... Yeah, there's the timer there. Okay, just give me 1 second. Oh, as I move that, don't move that. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna stop for a second. I'll be right back. Hey, besties, I'm back. Got the bread in the oven. So we left off with the 8s. Okay. That's all the 8s. Should be done this video, but before my bread is done. Okay, next up is, oh, we got the letters now. So first letter is A. Nope. Next up, B. We do have 1 B. And that is, just want to make sure I got the right one. 413. We just have the 1. I think I grabbed a chunky one. Yes, I did. I don't want that one. That's way too chunky. Or too big. No, that is too. That's better. Okay, next up is C. We do have those. 550. We have a couple of those. Here we go. Next up, D. Do have a couple of those. 745. it's upside down. I don't want it upside down. It won't stick if it's upside down. There we go. Okay, next up is E. We do have those, 818. There we go. Yeah, there hasn't been a lot of E's in this painting. Okay, there we go. Next up, F. Nope, no dark colors, no more dark colors. Up next, G. We do have G's, 963. There we go. Oh, didn't even pick it up. Oh, we missed a 6 too. we go. I would love to hear your besties' opinions, what I'm doing wrong and what I could do better to, I don't know. Okay, next up, H. Do have H, 3607. There we go. Like, what can I do better to make my videos better, more engaging? Besties are subscribing, but nobody's really watching my videos, and I don't know why. But yeah. There we go. Okay, next up, J, 3609. There we go. Okay, there we go. gonna get that 6 really quick. And that is 9. And then our next letter will be K, which we don't have, so next up is L. Since we don't have K, we do have L's. 3756. There we go. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna quickly turn down the oven a little bit. My husband doesn't, but I am. Okay. Just turned the, oh, sorry, just shook that. That's not even in the middle. I didn't realize it. Sorry. There we go. Sorry, just fixing it. It's a little crooked. At least this stuff is still sticky. There we go. Okay, next up is M, which we do not have. Then it's N, which we do have some. Or, no, that's the wrong one. Hold on. Yeah, 3830. Just have 4. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're on the last two letters. First up is letter P, 3865. Uh-oh. Do we have any? There we go. We have a lot of P's. I hope I have more. This is not good. Is it right here? Yeah, because we don't have a lot of Q's, but we have a lot of P's. Shoot, is this? Sorry, besties. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I had to put these back in the bottom because I want to see if they're the same colors. Although the P and the Q look the same, so probably wouldn't even matter. They look the same. Okay. Looks like they're the same. Yep, looks like they're the same. I'm just gonna put these in this one. There we go. There we go. Ooh, I'm actually starting to sweat a little. Give me 1 second, besties. Just gonna put my hair in a bun because I am sweating. And having my hair down is not helping it. Okay. The only thing about summer that I don't like is sweat because it's so hot. And me, because of my medication, although I did gain quite a bit of weight too, so. One of the side effects is weight gain, which I hate. Now that it's nice weather, the hubby and I go for a walk every day. I do have my cancer walk next month, around the end of the month. Well, actually, it's usually around the 19th or 20th. Or 24th. Last year was the 24th of August. And I think I'm gonna have to get some more sticky stuff because it's not popping too much anymore. Okay, let's get some more sticky stuff. But it definitely does last longer than the other sticky stuff. But the other stuff is old. Yeah, they're all crooked. Okay, that was the last two keys, and of course I got stuff stuck on there, and whatever this is. Got that off. Now we need to get that off. Good. Just use my cutter. Oh, we missed the Q here. Or Q. P. Okay, there we go. Oh, wrong lid. I need the lid with the number on it. Last but not least, letter Q, B5200. Here we go. Oh, tomorrow's the last day of school for the kids. At least for where I live. Okay, down to the last 4, 3, 2, and last one. Oh, that wasn't. There we go. Last few good pops for you. Okay, and there we go. Put this empty bottle back. Put our sticky stuff back. There we go. Zoom out a little bit. There we go. Look at that. We'll just situate over here. I think this moved or something. But look at that. There we go. Another row down. Only 2 more to go. 2 more to go. It's hard to situate fixing this. See, 2 more rows to go. And we are finished this painting. So we did I think we did 5 squares. 4 or 5. So we have 8 or 10 more videos. And then we are done this painting. So I'm just gonna turn off the light. There we go. I'm going to move my cup over to here. And then we are gonna situate this back down here. Push this up. And there we go. Look at that. Look at that. We're almost to the finish line. Just this much more to go. So, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. And again, if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Join the Bestie family so you can watch videos just like this one. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. And I will see you all again for Friday's video. So watch out for that, and I will see you all then. Bye, besties. Love you all. Mwah.